What if, right now, a second sun appeared in the sky? Shining, blazing, impossible? Imagine stepping outside tonight and seeing not one glowing orb, but two. One is our familiar sun, the other brand new, mysterious, and terrifying. That's the question we're chasing. What if another sun suddenly appeared above Earth? It's a strange idea, but one that forces us to confront how fragile our balance is. Let's walk through what might happen, from the first moments to the slow unfolding years. First, what do we mean by another sun? In effect, a star, maybe smaller, maybe dimmer, suddenly visible, orbiting in space or fixed in the sky. For simplicity, picture a star that appears at the same distance as our sun, or perhaps farther, casting additional light and heat. We assume it doesn't instantly destroy everything by gravity, but has enough brightness to affect Earth's climate, tides, radiation environment. That's our setup. Two suns, one Earth, and everything we know thrown into disarray. In those first seconds, light floods the sky. Shadows double, flicker, then merge. The night side of Earth might brighten. Temperatures would begin to rise in places that were dark, pushing the day side into extreme heating. Plants might photosynthesize in unexpected ways. Ecosystems would be shocked. The atmosphere would respond, winds shifting, pressure zones changing. In hours, weather starts to warp. Storms might brew where none should. Clouds rearrange. In days, think heat waves. Regions already hot would risk crossing deadly thresholds. Polar ice would begin to melt faster. Sea levels would creep upward. Oceans absorb heat. That extra radiation pushes water toward evaporation. The hydrological cycle intensifies. Heavier rainfall, flooding, perhaps drought in places. Over weeks, the planet's energy balance would shift. Earth retains more heat than it loses. The extra sun pushes us toward a runaway greenhouse effect. Water vapor increases, trapping more heat. Over months, glaciers retreat, rivers shift, weather belts move. Rainforests may burn, deserts expand. Over years, ecosystems collapse. Many species fail to adapt. Food chains unravel. The second star's gravitational effect, even if small, might tug orbits in subtle ways if it's close enough. Moons, satellites, asteroids could feel it. The delicate dance of orbits may tilt. Human infrastructure would crack under new stresses. Energy grids, agriculture, cities near coasts suffering from floods. But here's the twist. We might find that the new sun is relatively cool or distant, contributing light but not extreme heat. In that case, the change could be gradual. Our world forced to adapt slowly rather than collapsing overnight. Civilization's worst threat might not be total destruction, but endless, relentless stress. And even more strangely, that second sun might dim, vanish, or drift away, leaving us scarred but still alive. The emotional takeaway: the heavens we take for granted aren't immutable. Our world depends on a delicate cosmic balance, and a sudden change, even one that seems beautiful, can be quietly destructive. If you've ever looked up at the night sky and felt small, think again. What looms above shapes everything we are. Our sun, alone, is our salvation. A second would bring wonder and terror. So next time you gaze at the sky, remember, it's not just scenery. And if you liked exploring this thought experiment, do me a favor. Hit like, subscribe, and join me as we dig deeper into cosmic what-ifs.